Hi guys, short video here about a trick how to delete parts of a keyword here on YouTube. Here I am in the YouTube studio in the keywords, and since they have changed to the new version a couple of years ago, it's very difficult to delete just a part of the keyword. I don't know why they are not fixing that. Maybe it's just by intention, but I don't know why. For me, it's definitely something which is a huge disadvantage. Here I have just a sample video. I'm not going to publish this, and I've just added some random keywords from TubeBuddy. So let's say I have this keyword here and I want to delete the word or the number 400. I click on that, click again, and so here I am. I hope you can see the cursor here. So when I hit the back button on my keyboard to delete this 400, watch this thing. I'm going to press 3, 2, 1, 0, and now instead of just deleting the 400, it has deleted the whole keyword. This is super annoying, to say at least, and I guess a lot of people are struggling with that. And for that reason, usually I'm preparing the keywords in a normal notepad outside, because it's almost impossible to use this editor. Before it was so much easier, and now it's so much more difficult. But there are still workarounds for that, so I paste this keyword here again, or this tag, and so I position here again. So what we have to do here is to mark this part here. Of course, the easiest to press Shift and then use the cursor. And instead of pressing the delete or back button, we just hit the space bar. You can see now we still have this thing. It looked a little bit weird, but it's still here. You can see that that's the original one. Now this is the modified version. So we can easily delete single parts of a tag. If you want to delete something at the end, I don't know if it's really good if we add a blank at the end. So instead of hitting the space bar, you can hit the comma, you can see, and then it changes from the comma into deleting just the part in the back. Yeah, it needs a little bit of time to get used to that. It's not super easy, but I think it's the best option apart from using a notepad, preparing the keywords or tags on a notepad, which I'm doing anyway. But after that, I copy the keywords or tags here into the YouTube videos, and sometimes after that you still want to do some changes, and then we still have to deal with this editor. But it works. It's just very difficult. You have to know this trick. Maybe there are also some other tricks. If you have found something else which works, then please let us know down in the feedback area. And other than that, I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.